Hi guys, today we're making multicolored pom-poms. You need 3 colors of wool, yarn, a maker, and some scissors. Today I'll be making a medium-sized one. For this first one, wrap the base color very neatly around the maker. Then kind of stripe the next color. And after, cover up the base color over the stripes. Then you want to take the third and second color and stripe them evenly across the blue layer. Then cut them all together. I couldn't use my regular fabric and sewing scissors, so I had to use these ones, and it was really hard to cut. Make sure to tighten the string around as evenly as possible and tie it as tight as possible. You don't want the separate yarn fibers to get loose and fall out. After that, you can just trim, and then there you go, you have it. You can also tie it on to crocheted hats or anything else. There you guys go. Make sure to like and subscribe. If we get 20 subscribers, we'll have a surprise waiting.